So that was it about the double-humped camel, the Bactrian camel, enjoying the snack there, the tree leaves and the branches at the same time. And understand this camel is very violent when it comes to mating. They said it can sometimes kick, spit, and do all those funny things. So that's just the negative side about it. Otherwise, it's a nice animal, and I like the fact that yes, it can just drink about 60 liters of water at one go. Did you know that? Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to move it to a better level. Let's get the numbers right. Don't just watch for, it's for free to subscribe. Share this video, leave your comment, and yeah, and thank you for watching this far, and I'll check you in the following video. Keep supporting Nature Only Media, because it's a great channel for animals. Cheers.